How do I paste the Windows clipboard into my PuTTY session, using only the keyboard? I would like to paste text the Windows clipboard into my PuTTY session using only the keyboard. I am running PuTTY 0.60 on Windows XP. Usage example: I just selected a bunch of nice text inside of my Emacs on Windows. I then shift my focus to a PuTTY window. Then I press the magic keyboard shortcut, and the application waiting for input on the other side gets some. I have tried the keyboard shortcut to paste into CMD, Alt plus space plus E plus P, but it doesn't paste the clipboard into my PuTTY window. This question and answer about opening the system menu using Alt plus space looks interesting, but it doesn't bring me closer to an answer. So, does anyone know how can I paste the Windows clipboard into my PuTTY session using only the keyboard?
You can use Shift+Ins to paste text. From PuTTY documentation, pasting is done using the right button, or the middle mouse button, if you have a 3-button mouse and have set it up, see section 4.11.2. Pressing Shift-Ins, or selecting Paste from the Control plus right-click context menu, have the same effect. When you click the right mouse button, PuTTY will read whatever is in the Windows clipboard and paste it into your session, exactly as if it had been typed at the keyboard.
In my case I want Control-Ins, Shift-Ins only, thus, my config was: Window is greater than selection. Autocopy selected text to system clipboard is greater than, unchecked. Mouse paste is greater than, no action. Control, Shift+Ins is greater than, system clipboard. You need this to Vim works. Terminal is greater than features. Disable application keypad mode, checked. Extra. PuTTY operates just like a normal X terminal. Some commands will output to an alternate screen when this terminal type is selected, such as less, or vi, which disappears when the program exits. However, you can disable the alternate screen with terminal is greater than features. Disable switching to alternate terminal screen, checked.
From the PuTTY documentation. .10.3 Changing the actions of the mouse buttons. PuTTY's copy and paste mechanism is modeled on the Unix STRM application. The X Windows system uses a 3-button mouse, and the convention is that the left button selects, the right button extends an existing selection, and the middle button pastes. Windows typically only has 2 mouse buttons, so in PuTTY's default configuration, the right button pastes, and the middle button, if you have one, extends a selection. If you have a 3-button mouse and you are already used to the STRM arrangement, you can select it using the action of mouse buttons control. You have to change the default behavior by opening PuTTY is greater than Windows is greater than selection is greater than select STRM, right extends, middle pastes.
If you want to support the channel,